All right. In this video, I'm going to be updating you guys on where I think Bitcoin's price, what I think Bitcoin's price is going to do. So basically, and the whole cryptocurrency market. So I'll do some technical analysis on that. Yeah, just basically show you guys what could possibly happen next week. We've got crazy amounts of data coming up. We've got the FOMC statements. Hold on, let's actually check because I actually don't know exactly what's going on. Um, oh my God. Okay, while that's waiting, basically, Bitcoin, just from the looks of it, Bitcoin definitely needs to clear this imbalance, or at least like um basically recover it slightly for it to come back down again or something. Definitely has to touch it. So yeah, just watch out for this area and cryptocurrency maybe. Let's check it out that also. Cryptocurrency market. Look at that. There's a massive red vector candle here. That's a bunch of imbalances, and I'm expecting next week for price to completely recover it. So, here's a little exercise for you guys to do. So, you can try this on any asset. I'll literally go on Bitcoin, for example, first. Um, it doesn't even matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter any of the assets. So, but let's just say here, for example. Okay, this one's the Forex one. All right, over here. Um, Bitcoin always creates psychological levels. These are the psychological levels. Oh my God. This is the psychological high, this is the psychological low. And basically, investors believe that to be the fair value of an asset. Okay, stick with me. But this is going to be really important. When price goes away from the psychological high or low, so even to the downside, the chances of it going back into the psychological ranges are high, absolutely high. And so check this out. Um, Here, for example, right? Price went away from the psychological areas and then came back towards it. It went away, came back towards it. Away, came back towards it. Okay, away, and then came back towards it. Let's go back again. This one's crazy, right? So pump away from it, slowly but surely comes closer, comes closer, comes back, comes away, comes back, right? They're areas of interest within the charts. And if you couple this with the idea of vector candles, which are these candles right here, you're unstoppable because these candles basically tell you what's going on within the charts, within the candle. Um when prices when there's green vector candles, that suggests that retail traders buying. You don't want to follow what retail traders are doing. You want to follow what smart money is doing. You want to do what the institutions are doing. So smart people are selling while it's going up. He's selling to the people that are buying, the retail traders. And the retail traders never pay themselves, so that's the story. That's the story right there. They completely get liquidated. So the red vector candle is also true. So when you see a red vector candle, that means that retail is going short, and the institutions are buying. All the market makers are going to buy, and you can expect price to just like not immediately reverse, but like at some point it will come back towards it usually. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be looking for next week for Bitcoin specifically. I want to see them create. Oh, okay. The psychological ranges are here. Look, if the psychological ranges are very tight like this, the chances of them manipulating price is insane. So if it's a little bit bigger like this one or a little wider, they don't have too much room to manipulate it in wide areas. So like here also, it was very tight. Price moves so much. But if they're bigger, they don't really move too much. So like you can expect shit like this happening. this week. So yeah, be careful and watch out for that. Um, yeah, watch out for the psychological ranges. Watch for any candles. No. Any move away from the psychologicals ranges will be followed by a retrace, okay? It'll be followed by price coming back to the psychological ranges to test the move for it to either continue up or to go up a little bit more and then go down. So just watch out for that. Yeah. And for the cryptocurrency market, let's actually just check that out quickly. Crypto. Yeah, so there's massive imbalances right here, right? And so that means, yeah, imbalances here. So I'd expect price to completely recover that by next week. But it can go both ways, bro. You can see this wick down there. This wick right here, that's a problem also. That suggests that there are vector candles within this area also. So here, I'm expecting that to also get recovered. Look at that. I'm guessing. Oh, what? This is also vector candles. Everything there. Oh, damn, I was wrong. Okay, well, there's vector candles there, and it has not been recovered. Yet again, that's area points of interest, right, within the charts. I know, and it sounds crazy. Can the whole cryptocurrency market drop? Can the whole cryptocurrency market drop 10%? Don't say it's not possible, because if you don't position yourself in the um if you don't position yourself in a way where price is able to do whatever it's able to do, then you're gonna lose in the game, basically. So you gotta always make sure that you gotta position yourself the right way. And price can do a lot of things next week. But what I'd be waiting for is, hold on. My strategy is as simple as waiting for price to go away from the psychological ranges, create some vector candles on the way up, and then I'll trade back towards it to support. And then I'll close my position there. And if there's more red vector candles here on the way down, I will buy here at the support and then wait for price to continue. And the opposite is also true. So if price went down at the beginning of the week, completely dumped, liquidated, and completely recovered this green vector candle, I would, and this is a red vector candle here, I would definitely consider buying here at low average daily range and in hopes of it going up. I'd have my stop loss around this area right here. And I'd target all the red vector candles that are to the upside. So but yeah, that's basically my plan. And let's check the ES. So the ES on the 1 hour time frame looks like there's always imbalances on the ES to the upside and to the downside. It's crazy. So yeah, as you can see, there's green vector candles to the downside that could be fulfilled next week. Here, and there's also red vector candles to the upside. And I feel like they're gonna do a little sweep to the upside next week for them to just come back down, potentially, maybe. You never know. But yeah. And the ES, the S&P 500 the Bitcoin follows the S&P 500. So don't think that this is not important. You need to know this within your trading knowledge. So an Australian dollar, yen is also important. Yeah, if this goes up, that means the adoption of risk assets is going up also. And dollar, lastly, is, yeah, the dollar is going crazy. Has a massive green vector candle here. Sounds crazy, but that might get recovered also. So yeah, just heads up. Mm. Well, yeah, I think that's all. I hope you guys, got some knowledge. I hope you guys are a little bit more prepared going into the weekend. And yeah, be careful. Oh wait, we can actually check the Forex Factory one more time. Okay, slowly. Today's June 10th, Wednesday. So core CPI, and CPI yearly, monthly. Okay. Oh, it's on Thursday. Okay. So Thursday, there's gonna be the federal funds rate, FOMC economic projections, and FOMC statement. Massive day. So yeah, expect some massive volatility then, and price is gonna be heavily manipulated. So be very careful. They're gonna be literally gunning for everyone's stops. So if literally price will be going down, they're trying to liquidate all the shorts, but at the same time they're gonna get ready to reverse price all the way up um to get these guys stops hit also, and then they're gonna bring it that back down again. So these guys stops, the people that were going long, are gonna get also liquidated. So that's why I'd always recommend to just buy the retrace. So if price is going up, it does a retrace, and then there's vector candles, and there's support right here. Just buy and take the risk. Don't buy here as it's going up. It's just unnecessary stress on yourself. The markets are open, so calm down. The markets are, I meant like the markets will be continuously be open, so they'll never close. Even if like a major catastrophe, yeah, that thing happens, markets will still exist, I think, and you can probably still trade them because you'll still have humans' opinion. But yeah, that's all for this video. Hopefully you guys learned something. Bye bye.